Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making stew chicken. Here are all the ingredients I'll be using. You can find the recipe in the description below. Here I have onions, tomatoes, soft brown sugar, vegetable oil, fresh thyme, my washed and chopped chicken thighs, green seasoning, salt, black pepper, ketchup, dark soy sauce, and a Maggi Seasoning Cube. All of these will be used to season the chicken, so let's get cooking. Start off by seasoning the chicken. See in the description below for the link on how to make green seasoning. Add salt, black pepper. I'm adding a bit of ketchup. This is optional. I've left this out on many occasions and it still comes out lovely. I'm also adding some dark soy sauce. This is also optional. I like reducing the amount of sugar used and adding a bit of this to assist with getting a proper brown stew color. And finally, I've just added the Maggi Seasoning Cube, or you can add one of your choice. Give everything a good mix. You can allow it to marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. Here I'm going to be cooking mine straight away. On a medium heat, add oil, add the brown sugar. The brown sugar will caramelize the chicken and give it that lovely brown color. This process happens quickly, so stay close and monitor. The sugar will dissolve, expand and darken. As soon as it turns brown, you can add the chicken, or you can allow it to go a bit darker, as I have done here. It all depends on how brown you like your stew. After adding the chicken, leave it for a couple of seconds. This will allow the color to develop on one side before turning. Give the chicken a nice turn. Give it a good mix. You can see the color is already coming in very nicely. Now add fresh thyme, onions, and tomatoes. This helps give the stew a nice gravy. At this stage, you can also pop in a whole Scotch bonnet pepper to crank up the flavor. Give it a good mix, then cover and allow it to cook on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Again, turn in occasionally to ensure it is not sticking to the bottom of the pan. After 10 to 15 minutes, remove the cover and add hot water if needed. Allow to cook uncovered for another 5 minutes or until the chicken is cooked throughout. About 5 to 7 minutes has passed and it's now done and ready to eat. The sauce has thickened up nicely. Hope you try this one, guys. If you do, let me know in the comments how it came out. Enjoy! Hey guys, thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. If you enjoyed, please do give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. See you in my next video. Bye!